Hey guys, Davin Lim, board certified dermatologist. Today I'll be talking about skin aging and how to treat it using at-home devices. This video is in collaboration with Amiro. So guys, when it comes to aging, basically there's a reduction in the amount of collagen over time. As we age, our collagen in our skin decreases by a factor of 1 to 1.5% every year after the age of 20. So when you're in your mid-30s to your 40s, you've basically lost somewhere between 20 to 25% of collagen. So let's talk about effective ways of how to reduce the signs of aging. In particular, I will be discussing methods to stimulate collagen production such as radiofrequency, infrared light, as well as red light emitting diodes. Additionally, I'll discuss the role of EMS or electromagnetic muscle stimulation and how it works to improve skin tone and muscle tone, firming up the key muscles of your mid-face, which in turn causes tightening of key areas of the face. So guys, let's talk about this. This is the Amiro R1 skin tightening device. This is a breakthrough when it comes to home application devices that combine powerful RF or radio frequency energy together with electrical muscle stimulation, microcurrent, and infrared as well as light emitting diodes, all in the one simple to use system. So how does the Amiro R1 work? Firstly, the radio frequency component of the device generates control heating to a maximum of around 42 degrees in your skin. This generation of radio frequency waves heats up the deeper layers of your skin, tricking your body into thinking it has a subclinical injury. And what happens is that your skin sends growth factors to help build up collagen to these areas. When your skin produces more collagen, the treated areas become tighter, firmer, and the clinical result is less wrinkling and less aging. Guys, there are two phases of response when it comes to using this device. Firstly, the initial phase gives spontaneous or instantaneous results, what is known as immediate collagen contraction. This can be seen early, usually within the first treatment. The second phase often takes a few weeks to maximize. Studies by Amiro themselves have shown that deep radio frequency can penetrate the skin to around 3 mils. And this can stimulate collagen by over 37% in just 1 week. So what makes this, the Amiro R1 skin tightening device, different compared to other RF devices which I've reviewed in the past? The answer itself lies in the 6-level multi-RF system with 6 RF heads. This delivers 9 groups of energy fields compared with other devices which only deliver 1 to 2 groups of energy. This point of difference reduces the need for massive energy power, which can result in more discomfort as the 9 groups of energy can be superimposed on each other to create a deeper field of penetration in your skin. So once again, studies have shown that the RF energy penetrates to a depth of around 3 millimeters, which is ideal for the stimulation of collagen. So guys, let's talk about the second feature of the Amiro R1, which is an inbuilt EMS or electromagnetic microcurrent stimulation system. So how does EMS work to lift and firm skin? Well, this novel feature provides controlled pulses of electromagnetic stimulation, and this activates specific muscle fibers in the face. For example, it's a gym workout for facial muscles. The clinical results improve the resting tone and firming of key muscles and the fascial layers of the skin. This creates lifting and a more firm appearance in key areas such as the mandibular area or the jawline, as well as the deep nasolabial folds around the cheek areas and around the mouth area. The third and fourth function of Amiro R1 is to provide IR, which is infrared light, together with visible red light. Both of these wavelengths penetrate into the deeper dermal layers of the skin to help produce collagen. Hence, it can be said that both RF, which is your radio frequency, combined with light emission, is synergistic to the production of dermal collagen. So guys, how much effort is required as part of your daily routine with the Amiro R1? With the firming and lifting mode, the device combines radio frequency, EMS, and IR light for 5 minutes in the morning. For wrinkles, smoothing, and rejuvenation, this device automatically combines RF together with red light in IR or infrared light for 10 minutes in the evening. This reduces wrinkles by boosting collagen production. So what do the test results show? Test results at 28 days shows a reduction of 32% for fine lines, 29% reduction in smile lines, with up to 31% improvement in skin elasticity. So guys, this ends the review of the Amiro R1 Pro-Facial RF Skin Tightening Device. In summary, this platform is well constructed, it's a well thought of device, and sits above other handheld devices such as purely microcurrent or purely RF devices, as it combines multiple ways of delivering energy into your skin. The result is compounded collagen production while saving you time, effort, and money. It's very important that consistent and regular use will give you the best outcomes from this device. Amiro has given me a specific discount code which is in the description below. So if you're thinking about starting your anti-aging journey, check it out now. Thanks for watching this video.